Hey everyone, welcome back to Chaz's Lifestyle, and a big hello to our new viewers. Today we're diving into the incredible power of self-care, motivation, and the transformative magic of starting your day with a clear schedule and daily goals. Imagine waking up each morning feeling energized, inspired, and ready to conquer the day. That's what we're all about here. I'm going to share my tips and tricks on how creating a to-do list can keep you focused, reduce stress, and boost your productivity. We'll talk about the importance of self-care routines that uplift your spirit and keep you thriving. If you're ready to embrace a lifestyle that prioritizes your well-being and helps you become the best version of yourself, you're in the right place. Now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoy this video. Let's start. Everyone, have a fantastic day and a blessed week. Most Sundays, I love starting my day with a homemade breakfast for my family before tuning into church. Balancing numerous tasks and responsibilities, I've often prioritized my family's needs at the expense of my own self-care, but now I'm embracing a new routine that includes self-care and motivational exercises every day while still accommodating my family's schedule. So instead of just cooking for my family, I now make delightful little meals for myself that brings joy to my mornings. And incorporating healthier alternatives have become a form of self-care, and it also leaves me feeling uplifted, energized, and ready to tackle my day, especially with a good detox tea. Managing household chores can feel overwhelming, but creating to-do lists and daily goals has significantly reduced my stress and anxiety. My wellness journey helps me stay focused on what God has planned, motivating me to strive for the best version of myself. Every month I do a spring clean, and I have light cleaning days on weekends, and I start the week fresh. This routine includes vacuuming, laundry, dusting, sanitizing, and organizing, keeping my home in order and my mind at peace. I've also been practicing self-love by taking breaks to relax and avoid overthinking during my tasks. So, like I was talking about with the cleaning, I didn't show everything that I do because it's so much. My house is literally 3 stories right now, and we're currently in the midst of moving. So we have been cleaning, organizing, restocking, selling things, all type of things like that. So my house is a little chaotic, but I wanted to show y'all a little bit of what I do just throughout the week to keep my house together, and that's not including sanitizing and the dusting. And if y'all want to get into all that, just let me know, and I would love to do more content on household goods, cleaning, essentials, different things like that. So just let me know down in the comments. So like I've been telling y'all, I've been practicing self-love by taking breaks to relax and avoid overthinking tasks. Even if it's just 5 minutes, I cherish every second to relax. Eating healthy and portion control like my hibachi chicken powerball are part of my healthy wellness bundle, keeping me in shape and energized. And also, oh my gosh, I'm thrilled to share my DIY wellness journal, which has been a game changer for my self-care and motivation. This tool really helps me stay on track with my goals, and I encourage you to create your own. Now, check out my wellness cookbook and DIY journal videos for more inspiration. I will have a lot more content based on that to show y'all how I do it. So simple and easy. I just wanted to be a blessing and offer that to y'all because it helped me. I would love it to help you all. Right now, I'm meal prepping, trying to keep up with the meal prepping and juicing. I didn't include my juicing in this video. I just including a little bit of cooking, a little bit of what I do. We decided to actually grill this time, which is one of my favorites. I love a nice grilled meal, and not just that, but grilled meal preps. I feel like it enhances your meal preps. It adds more flavor. I really love grilling. So yeah, I am grilling some stuff for my family, which is like the chicken. I wanted to do a Korean style, and then I'm also grilling some chicken thighs for like power bowls. And then I am grilling some salmon. We're going to have some grilled salmon on top of some nice, beautiful lemon pepper kale. If you haven't seen that recipe, be sure to check that out on my older YouTube videos. I will have a link down below, or you can check that out in my new wellness cookbook. Okay, so all these recipes or similar will be in the ebook if you are interested in these recipes. Now, I love to make sure I meal prep. With a busy schedule, I like to make sure I am eating. I try my best to keep up with it and just take a bite. So meal preps really help grab and go, put it in the microwave and go ahead and eat it. So that is highly recommended for people who have a busy schedule or just a busy lifestyle. It definitely decreases the stress on me, and it definitely helps me throughout the week, staying consistent with eating healthy, but also ensuring that I am getting all my nutrients. So when it comes to me meal prepping, I do not meal prep for the full week just because I like to switch it up, and also I just like fresh food and fresh meals. So I find after about 4 days I am over it. I'm ready for something new, and sometimes I like to actually cook a meal that's fresh and eat it then and there instead of a meal prep, or it might be a salad, or it can be a power bowl. So it just depends, but that's why I created the amount that I did, and I have a few over there for hubby as well. When he goes to work and stuff, he's good. So yeah, and as you can see, I just wanted y'all to see behind the scenes of what I do sometimes on Sundays, and my goal is to create consistent recipes and content for you all throughout the weekends, and so I can have that throughout the week. Giving myself grace and taking my time has been transformative in my life. If tasks roll over the next day, y'all, that's okay. With summer approaching, the kids and I are finishing up lessons and quizzes, and we're actually, making learning fun and engaging. So I wanted to show y'all me incorporating my homeschooling with both my kids. It has been a very adventurous journey because my youngest is 1.5 and very energetic, and my oldest is 4.5, and as you can see, he's very energetic. And I know where they get their energy from, so it excites me, and I really enjoy what I do. No, every day isn't perfect, and yes, we have our struggles, but we embrace that by learning and growing through it together. So this is something that I wanted to share, part of my self-care, to also let the moms know out there to enjoy the journey, take your time, also focus on your self-care, incorporate things like this that I'm about to show you all. I'm focusing on my muscle mass and my overall health a lot more lately. I found inspiration in tracking my progress with the new scale and app combo, and this tool has motivated me to try new things and make fitness enjoyable. Now, over the past few years, my journey into wellness and mental health has taught me the importance of tracking and achieving my personal goals. My wellness trackers and wellness guides help me stay focused on my physical, mental, spiritual, and emotional health. I'm excited to share these tools with you on my website, and also as I grow and learn, I'm going to be able to show more to y'all. That's what I love to do. So I'm pretty much just showing y'all a little bit of the DIY of my wellness journals. I like to keep them in these clear pages to keep them safe and protected. And you can actually use erasable marker, put them on your refrigerators. You can put them up on the board. You can do so many different cool things with these, but I like to keep them in a binder, organized with tabs, and I'm able to flip through it. I'm old school, so I love to write every day. I love to journal. So this is very helpful for me, and it keeps me excited and motivated to use this part of my wellness journey. So I will have these listed down below if you are interested. As you can see, I do my weekly meal planning with that. Now I know what I'm going to be eating. I'm trying to figure out different things for breakfast, incorporating that more into my lifestyle instead of fasting, since I lost a lot of the weight that I was. I reached my goal basically. So I incorporate a lot more stuff like breakfast and snacks and stuff like that into my diet. I also like to keep up with my mental health I was telling y'all about, and it just keeps you focused on your self-care, on your self-love. Focus on you as well as you focus on everything and everyone around you. Lastly, I use Instacart to simplify meal planning for my family and myself. So this convenient service offers recipes with pre-selected ingredients, making grocery shopping a breeze. No, they're not sponsored, but I wanted to share this helpful tip with those with busy schedules, because this was something so cool how they offer just different recipes and different things, and you could just literally click it and it'll go right to your cart. You could deliver right to your house just like that, and you can go back on Instacart when you're ready to cook, and it will show you all the recipes and the ingredients, how to do it step by step. I thought that was pretty cool that they offered that. So like I said, no, Instacart isn't sponsored, but it is recommended. I will link them down below as well if you are interested, and no, it's not commission based. I hope you all enjoyed this motivational self-care video, and if you did, please like, comment, and subscribe for more content from Childless Lifestyle, and I will see you all in the next video.